This is the snowstorm that we have here in New York. I'm looking out through my window and see people outside trying to dig out their car. Most of the cars are covered. You can't see the cars on the sidewalk. It is impossible. The road is impassable. People can hardly drive. You can't see no people, no one walking. Just few cars trying to pass, and people digging out their cars, and most people have to stay inside. So it's not easy here, and I just ask everybody to pray for us. We are going through a serious snowstorm here in New York. I'm just videoing from my window. I just can look outside. Oh my goodness, it's serious here. And the storm is not over as yet. It's still raging outside. Oh my God, oh my God. I mean, the road and the sidewalk is covered by snow. I think it start blowing about sometime after 11, 12 today. Now it's after 9 in the night. Oh, see that person just dig out their car out of this serious snow. Um, that person down there dig out their car. And beside that there's another car, but you can't even see that car. It's covered completely. And over on that side of the road, because I can't go outside, it's impossible. So I'm just videoing now from my window. See a lot of cars across the street, and all of them, they are covered by the snow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But may the Lord keep us safe until the storm passes by. I'm keeping warm. I'm very warm inside. I make sure I have all the food and, things that I need. So I'm just praying that the power won't go off, because that's serious. It's very cold. So just pray for us that we won't have a power cut. Um, you know, so I just share, a little about this, storm here in New York.